Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450 and today I will show you how to enable battery saver on your laptop. So the easiest way to do that is to left click the battery icon right here and just slide this slider to the very left when your device is plugged out. So the charging cable must be plugged out before you open up enable the battery saver option. And if you want to see more settings, you'll have to go to the battery settings right here, and here you can also enable or disable the battery saver feature. If you want to, you can enable the saver automatically when your device reaches some level of the battery. So for example, let's set 30%. So now when our device reaches 30% of the battery saver will enable automatically. By checking or unchecking this checkbox, you can either lower your screen brightness when the battery saver is enabled, or just keep the brightness level the same. So if I uncheck it, my brightness level goes up, and if I check it, it goes back to low. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.